Okay, babes, this is the Chloe Bratz that I actually got from the thrift shop in Houston, Texas. And me and my baby cousin is actually cleaning this. Say what's up, Ariana. What's up? And we're actually cleaning this right now. As you can tell, she is so dirty. 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 So I'm Zia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sewer tips, try on hauls, Sims 4, and more. So, stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. So, yeah, I'm just about to go ahead and wash her up. As you can tell, I got soap and everything, here and whatnot. But I'm going to get ready to clean her up. Y'all, her hair is so disgusting. As you can tell, like, I don't know what's going on. It's all matted. It's black stuff in it. Like, it's everywhere, okay? And her body is just dirty as well. Like, I'm having to wash everything on her body. Like, she has these marks. I don't know how I'm gonna get all of this stuff off, but I will be getting it off some way, somehow. But we're about to give my girl a makeover because she actually is, she actually is so cute, and I'm wanting to also collect her as well. I don't know where I'm gonna put her at, but I'm ready to style her. I have, the two giant Bratz that I do have is Chloe, and then it's Sasha. This is half of the body Bratz, and then I got the big head Sasha Bratz doll. And I still was taking mini braids down in the back of Sasha's head. I have to show y'all, but yeah, her makeover is about to be real hectic, babes. Ariana, you ready? Yeah! You ready to clean her up and style her up? Yeah! I normally use a toothbrush and scrub, but I'm just like using my hands right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this girl up because her hair is terrible.
And she got her two little cousins here.
Okay, babes, this is Miss Chloe just getting clean, which I'm gonna have to get rid of these stains with some, I don't know if I use Ajax or something like that. I'm gonna also try to redo her hands because y'all, her hands look a freaking mess. Like a mess. But I'm gonna like redo everything. I'm about to try to, I guess, get started on her hair and whatnot. I am not really sure. But we got a lot to do, a lot to do, right? Yeah! And babes, yes, I actually do have on this Bratz tee. It's the Bratz tee that my grams actually gave me. It is one of my favorite tops. And your girl have on no bra, looking super ratchet. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and like try to comb her hair out, y'all. Her hair is a hot mess, like a hot mess. It is so gross, so matted. I'm talking about, it's disgusting. Y'all, her hair it turned out so cute. I literally combed out every tangle. It took forever. But this is how it's looking right now. And I'm about to go ahead and rewash it again because I do not like the way it smells actually. So, yeah. I really want to add her a belly ring, you know. I'm gonna add her a little rhinestone for my sewing stuff and go ahead and add her a belly ring or whatever. Y'all actually gonna watch my girl get a piercing. And I'm going to use the E6000 glue, which is some good glue, my tweezers and rhinestone right here. Sorry for the noise, y'all. You know I'm at my grams, but I'm about to go ahead and straighten her beautiful hair with my doll straighteners. Alright babes, this is the finished style look on Chloe. I am done and her belly ring has dried or whatever. And I'm actually thinking about repainting her shirt and making it a different color. But y'all, I'm just going to be experimenting and also painting her freaking nails because her nails also need to be done. I took the nail polish off of that, but she looks very cute and sweet. Like, look at her hair, y'all. It is so sleek and you know, I'm going to have some time to be able to style it. I still haven't styled my big Sasha Bratz doll head or whatever. But I use, you know, these doll straighteners that I have also with this conditioner that I use to smooth her hair out, you know, something regular. And the paint brushes that I want to use to, you know, paint her on a different color top, which I don't know what color top I'm going to actually paint. But yeah, babes, Miss Chloe and how she is looking with her finished straightened hair. It is so much more things to, you know, clean her up and do to her actually. So I'm just experimenting and going to like change her up into a cute style. Where I stored, you know, Chloe in my room. And as you can see, babes, I did paint her nails. I did them like a bluish turquoise like. And actually, whenever I get time, you know, I'm going to repaint her shirt a different color and, you know, also her little bottoms and whatnot just to make it a little bit more unique. But this is how she is actually looking right now. And, you know, I really, really love it. And, you know, I'm going to come up with a hairstyle for her, you know, soon. I'm not sure what type of hairstyle I'm gonna do, but I really hope you babes, you know, enjoyed this vlog, you know, me cleaning and washing my breath and spending time with, you know, my fam, my baby cousins and whatnot. And, you know, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Mwah!